Happy New Year, folks.
You heard him. Happy New Year's, guys. 2020 officially over. Probably the worst year ever, right?
Yeah, just about.
Yeah, it kind of sucked, but welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great day and a great start to the new year. We wanted to put together a nice little special for you guys. We're going to incorporate all the best moments, the best mods that we did for the past year. There was a lot of good ones, right?
Yep, good bit.
And we're going to do a nice little montage for you guys. And we've got some big announcements too, so guys, don't click off yet. With the new year coming up and with the channel growing, I'm actually going to be changing the channel name. Do you know about that?
Yep, I was told.
Because right now it's just my name and it's not really just my channel anymore. My brother is also a huge part of it and you guys are as well. And with all of it being together, I'm going to start calling the channel the Chem Crew, as our Instagram is, so everything will have the same name. Be on the lookout for that change. It'll probably be happening after this video goes live. So, and also, you boys like that Cummins shirt he got on, or Cummins hoodie. Another big announcement. I don't know when yet, but we're tossing around the idea of doing merch soon. Not sure what exactly yet, but we'll probably do like a test run of a t-shirt or something, right?
Yeah.
But we'll come up with some cool designs. Drop it down in the comments below of what you guys think. Like, would you guys even be interested? You know, maybe just a small test run. We'll do a real small limited edition launch for like our first test run. I don't know. We'll think of something cool. What do you think about that?
Ooh, doggy.
But guys, with all that being said, let's get to the best moments of 2020. Because there were some good ones. 2020, it wasn't all negative. We did some cool stuff with the trucks, so. You ready to show them?
Let's roll it.
Once you drop that tailgate, you got some big things to load up.
Yep.
Dang! Man, they're shiny. They look like a mirror. You're gonna be blinding people driving down the roads with these bad boys. You can see yourself in there.
I took it to the local diesel shop because I wasn't doing it because I didn't know how to do it.
And what would that be? Because you're not one to take your truck to the shop all that often.
Yeah, no. Do most of this stuff myself. Took it to the shop for exhaust brake.
An exhaust brake?
Oh yeah.
Well, they call that an eddy brake.
Eddie.
I don't know, that's what my friend said.
It's the BD diesel exhaust brake.
This whole system right there. Zoom out a little bit. There's his line running all the way across. So that's the kit that he ordered.
So we ran it right below the fuel pump switch.
That little switch right here.
Yeah.
And that turns it on and off.
Yeah.
So you pretty much stopped right there without even using your brake, right?
Just the last little bit. Big Chungus, if you know, you know.
That should tell you something right there. Big Chungus. He's on his way back. He's making a return. Better than ever. Is that it? Or you want to give him a nice...
Most people know what Chungus is on the channel.
You know, right there. You hear it before you see it, so you know that's a good sign. Oh, no way. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. How about that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The new rig. What the heck did you just do?
There it is, new purchase.
New purchase, the new build.
2008 Ram 3500, 6.7 Cummins.
Yes, sir. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that nice little edit I put together. We made a lot of progress with all the trucks, and we also added a new one this year, so be on the lookout for a bunch of cool videos coming with that. And speaking of this truck, I heard you got some nice little surprises for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
That's coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. Got a lot of cool videos in the works, not only with this truck but all the other ones as well. But with all that being said, guys, I think we're just going to sign off with the usual. But before we do, once again, Happy New Year. Make 2021 a lot better than 2020. Make this your best year yet. Right?
Yep.
Because we're going to keep trying to grow. We're going to try to hit that 50,000 subscribers that I said. Not sure if it'll happen, but I'm really going to try to work for it, right?
Oh yeah.
So let's do it, boys. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you on the next one.